ipagpatuloy lang niya yung trabaho niya. I'm sure the president is working on his legacy now. He is not
Mhm.
working to please people. He's marking on his marks like his father did na meron ng ganyan, mawala
Hmm.
ka na sa mundo, nandiyan ka pa rin. And I think wala ng kuwenta kay presidente yung yung maging unpopular siya, yung sinisira siya, and I'm praying that the president, ipagpatuloy pa rin yung naumpisahan, which is ipagpapatuloy niya and helping our people to believe in conventional way na mamuhay pa rin ng tama. For the president to win, yung mga nawala na tiwala, wala, I don't think so the president needs, extracurricular activities just to win people. I think the best way for him to win the heart of the people is by doing good and doing his best. Yun lang. And
Kasi
the
parang
support will
ngayon
follow.